Hello everyone and welcome to our new video. In today's video, I will guide you on how to create a strong free AWS account without getting suspended. Be sure to watch the entire video because I have a valuable surprise for you guys at the end of it. Let's begin. First of all, we need to click on Create an AWS account. In the first column, we need to type our email address. In the second one, the name of our account, and click on Verify Email Address. Now we need to go to our email address and bring the SMS code notification that has been sent by AWS. And click on Verify. Now we need to type our password in the first column, and we need to retype it again in the second column and click on Continue. Here we need to choose the contact information. We will choose the personal. That means we will use it for our personal business. And then we need to type our full name. Later we need to provide our phone number and the address, city and the province and everything. And by the way guys, we will get the number from RentSms.online because I am providing real phone numbers that work perfectly with AWS and without any problems, because as you may know, AWS is suspending accounts because of the number. If the number are spammy, not fresh, already used with bad core, the account will be suspended. But RentSms.online is providing now the best service online for the moment. That's why I'm suggesting to you to create AWS account using RentSms number. So let me show you how you can get the number. We need to go back to RentSms.online and I will show you there how we can get the number. So guys, this is RentSms.online platform. If you don't have account yet, you can just click on sign up button and give some information like username, your name, your email, password, and you type your password again and click on create an account. That's all, very simple. And later go and click on login and we need to type your username and password and click on login and voila, that's all. It's really simple guys. So guys, this is the dashboard of RentSms.online. As you can see, I have 2 active numbers and I have $5 on my account balance. So if you want to buy a number, you need to have an account, of course. Just create an account and then you need to top up your account balance using one of the payment methods that they are offering, like PayPal, credit card and crypto, of course. And if you want to do that, you just need to click on Add Fund and follow the step. I have already covered many times this platform in my previous videos on how you can buy a number, how you can top up your balance account. So it's really easy. Now I will copy the number and go back to AWS page to finish the registration. I will change the country from United States to Czech Republic because my number is from Czech Republic. Now I will change the country to my country. I will type my address, the city, the state, and the postal code, and then I will check I have read and agree to the terms of service and click on continue. Now I need to type my billing information. So I will start with the credit card and later with the expiration date, the month and the year. And we need to type our card holder name, which is of your card directly. And later click on continue. I will do it quickly now. Amazon is going to check the credit card if it's working or not by taking $1, but no worries guys, it will come back to your bank account within 2 or 3 business days. I'll just approve the transaction now and it will keep working on the account, on the registration. So now we need to verify our phone number and we need to type the security check and click on send SMS. Now we need to go back to RentSms.online and bring our SMS code verification that has been sent by AWS and paste it here. Let's go. Now we need to click on the inbox. As you can see here, I have received the SMS code from AWS. Just need to copy it and paste it in the AWS page. Now guys, we are in the last step. Just need to click on complete sign up. Now we need to click on this button. Here we need to write our email and click on next. Now we need to type our password and click on sign in. As you can see guys, we have successfully created an AWS account using RentSms number. I'm going to copy this account for free. So if you want to get it for free, just comment in the video section RentSms.online and I will give it to you. Thanks guys again for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it with your friends. See you in the next video.